Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we edit contact number in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to edit guys your Samsung phone contact numbers. So how can you edit today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we edit contact number in Samsung phone. Friends, we have saved any contact number guys, and guys now you want to edit. So friends, how can you add it? Friends, select the number which you want to add. I want to add this my friend number. So I will tap here. So I will select it, and friends, you can see edit option guys. Tap here to edit. So I will tap here guys into bhai like Rohit bhai, and guys you suppose guys the number is wrong. So friends, you can change this number from here like that 08 like that, and we will save it. So as you can see, this contact number will add it into Rohit bhai. So like that we can add contact number. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.